Hi everyone, Efrain here with Allstream Insiders at the API Inspection and Mechanical Integrity Summit with a new friend, Megan. How's it going?
It's good, thank you. This is our first time attending the conference.
Really?
From ESR Technology, yes.
Excellent, excellent. So you flew over the pond.
Yes.
You came over here to the API. What's been a cool takeaway from this API Summit?
So
I see a lot of people that are here that were in participation exhibiting.
Yeah.
So you were here visiting some of your partners.
Yeah, so we run ESR Technology. We run the HOIS program, which is a joint industry project that helps and provide inspection guidance techniques. We basically bring in a lot of our members and they test their inspection services. And yeah, we run like blind trials, for example, and provide guidance within the energy industry.
So you have a big facility where you test out the different technologies and work on other, I understand you work at different partners' locations as well?
Yes, so we have a test facility over in the UK in Oxford, but we also have, like a lot of our members allow us to host test facilities. For example, one of our recent projects was the robotics trials that was hosted over in Norway, where we built a bespoke rig with all sort of defects already planted into it. People brought over their techniques and then we tested them to provide the guidance.
So it was a defect challenge?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So
did somebody get a trophy out of this?
Not quite, but yeah, we sort of gather the data from all the different inspection techniques and then, yeah, provide guidance for the best practice.
So some of the cool projects that you worked on, what has been a unique item or one of your favorites that you've been involved with?
So from my perspective, obviously, I'm from marketing, so not quite a technical background, but I think definitely this robotics trials, I've had quite a bit of involvement in terms of, and we've got a lot of cool footage in terms of working with the drones and the new robotics that have come out from some of our partners. And also we filmed some really great sort of interview techniques with some of the guys as well, who've also been exhibiting here. So it's been nice to meet them as well.
Excellent. To put a face with a name, with the ability, I think it's kind of cool to have where technology meets industry.
Yes.
And so that's what you guys do. You marry the two and you have great partners. So how does somebody get involved with your organization?
So you can either send us an email at info@hois.co.uk. And basically we can provide you with as much information as you need about how to join the membership. Yeah, so it's a membership-based thing. You can join for 3 years, whether you're an asset owner or also NDT service provider or manufacturer. Yeah, like we said, we have a range of different members.
So on the JIPs, your voting members come up with a challenge.
Yes.
And then you go put it out to the industry to see who has those solutions.
Yeah.
And then y'all the quarterback, well, US football, you guys help coordinate and kind of facilitate all the stakeholders, right? So it's more stakeholder management with a lot of nerdy technical people.
Yeah, so yeah, the people come to us with the challenges. We tend to have 5 or 6 new projects every year, which our members bring their challenges to us. And depending on what sort of a more popular challenge at the time, they vote on that and then we run the project. But we've been going for 40 years. So when you become a member, you have access to all 40 years worth of projects that have been run and guidance that's been produced. So.
Excellent, excellent. So Texas question.
Okay.
What have you enjoyed here the most about Texas?
Probably the food. The food.
Our heat, our humidity?
To be fair, in the UK, we've had a heat wave recently, so we were a little bit prepared for the heat.
All right.
Not quite the humidity, maybe, but
so tacos, how does that rank in your?
Well, the Mexican food is not great in the UK, so definitely it's been high here.
Our salsa game is pretty strong over here.
Yeah, no, it's not my actually first time in Texas, but I've been to Houston previously, but San Antonio has been very great. Yeah,
awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining. We're here to provide the insider's look. The inside is telling the story in Allstream Insiders, and we love people that bring industry stakeholders and people to collaborate, advance the industry, help protect our people and protect our assets. So thanks for tuning in to Allstream Insiders, and we'll see you next time.